Introducing PowerPulse, a therapeutic pulsating massage shower head that's unlike any other shower head on the market today. The PowerPulse shower head does things other shower heads can't do. It provides a wide range of therapeutic wellness benefits. And it does that because it has up to 2 times the massage force versus other retail shower heads, making it so therapeutic that it's an FDA-registered shower head. You can see, hear, and feel the difference. If you're a weekend warrior, a gardener, or a golfer, if you have tech neck from looking at your phone, or if you're looking to relieve the symptoms of aging, the Waterpik PowerPulse is the shower head for you. In fact, in studies under the direction of physicians and physical therapists, it was found that the Waterpik PowerPulse helps to provide a variety of clinically shown benefits. So why in the world would you want a regular shower head when you can have one that does all that?
Shower head is very versatile and very convenient. To start with, the 6.5 foot long hose makes it easy for bathing yourself, bathing children, easy for caretakers to bathe the elderly if they're sitting on a shower stool or a shower chair, or even pets if you bring them into the shower as well. There is a convenient pause function here. With this switch, you can greatly decrease the flow of water while still maintaining temperature, which is good for if you're bathing multiple pets, getting one dog out of the shower and the other one in. There's also 5 different water flow settings that adjust with the knob here along the bezel. The shower head itself is 4 inches wide and attaches to any standard shower head mount that you'd find in any normal shower, so it's easy to install, it's easy to use, very versatile and very convenient.